I wonder if you've ever thought about the environmental impact of your website in terms of the amount of energy that it takes to store and transmit the website files from the server to the user's device, how much energy it takes to display a web page when someone's visiting your site. Well, there's a really interesting website called the Website Carbon Calculator. You can visit it at websitecarbon.com and you can enter your website address and click calculate, and it will crunch some numbers behind the scenes and give you a rating for your website where it compares the page that you've tested against all the other pages that it's tested. So you can see here that hellotechnology.co.uk scores A, with the global average being somewhere just south of E, so that's a pretty good rating, and that it's cleaner than 87% of all web pages globally. So obviously I'm pretty pleased with that. When I designed my new website, I purposefully wanted to make it lightweight, fast to load, so I avoided using too many big images or video, and obviously I'm reaping the benefits of that now with fast page load times. I'm running Query Monitor here in WordPress, and it will give you, if you have a WordPress website, you can install the plugin and it will give you page generation times and various insights into how quickly your pages are loading, which can be really helpful with troubleshooting bottlenecks or working out what might be slowing your site down. And if you want another kind of overview, you can use Google PageSpeed Insights. Again, put in your website address, click Analyze, and it will give you a report covering things like performance, accessibility best practices, and SEO. And it will give you a checklist of things to look at, things that you might want to improve, that might improve the experience for people visiting your website. And of course, you may not be sold on the kind of environmental benefits of optimizing your website. AI is using so much energy, you might think is it really worth me optimizing my single website? But there is a correlation between website speed and conversions, and so you might want to think about it in terms of making your website a better experience for people who are visiting, because for every second that it takes a page to load, you'll reduce the likelihood of that browser becoming a customer. And that's especially important if you're running an e-commerce website. So if you are interested in any of this stuff, then I'd suggest have a look at Website Carbon Calculator, put your own website address in, get the score, and see if there's anything there that you could do to improve your rating. Have a look at PageSpeed Insights. Again, it will give you a checklist of things you might want to look at. And if there's anything you'd like to talk to me about and get some help with in terms of reducing page load times or reducing your the amount of data that your website is serving, which is often the primary reason for having a slow website, then feel free to get in touch. I'll be glad to talk to you about what could be done to make some improvements.